It's a Thursday. That means we got the weekly report from the State Department of Health on COVID here in Pennsylvania. And when we look at the numbers, we can see we're kind of in a rut, so to speak, because we've just been in kind of the same place with COVID for weeks now, actually even months. You see this trend of the dotted line showing where COVID has been around Pennsylvania. And the cases declined a little bit this week, but we've been in that same range. And remember, this is just the official numbers, not at-home test results. So while we're averaging under 3,000 cases a day in Pennsylvania, it is clearly higher than that with so many people testing positive at home. And when you look at the weekly totals around northeastern and central Pennsylvania, a lot of the counties in our area are down a bit this week. Again, we've been in the same range with the weekly numbers for counties here for a while now. Hospitalizations, the same thing. You can see there was a slight uptick this week, but that has remained in the same range too. And remember, some of these hospitalizations are people that are in the hospital that have COVID, but they're not there for COVID, because we are definitely seeing the severity of COVID is nowhere near what it has been in the past. And look at the deaths. That is where we're seeing it the most. COVID-related deaths have been at one of the lowest levels of the pandemic for months now. It has just been in this same level, down in the single digits for mostly, hovering around 10 COVID-related deaths per day for months. So what the overall story has been for COVID for a while is, yes, it's out there. You and I both probably know people, I know I do, that have COVID now or have had it recently, but not as severe as what we have seen in those past spikes. We'll have more news right after this.